High five 英会話
They just opened the door. They said, "Karan koron karan, karan koron karan."
Oh, is it like the bell or
yes.
that rings?
Well, yeah, like that. Don't you?
We we do have an onomatopoeia for that. It's like ding or ding dong, like is like the sound a bell makes. So we rap like ding 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 ding, like when we like open like a restaurant door or something.
Yeah, I see. Ding 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 ding. Okay. Like iPhone sound and the alarm sound. What?
Well, our like classically like phones would ring. Um, so like we use like the bell sound for phones often.
Ah, yeah. Me too.
Ring 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 ring. Hello, you know.
Okay.
But like it'd be just as common for someone to be like do 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 hello. Like they're trying to like it. You could either like if we have an onomatopoeia sound, you can use that. Like I don't know, like maybe like you're a kid and you're like playing with guns or whatever. You might be like bang bang, which is the onomatopoeia sound for a gun, or you just like pew, pew, for
Wow,
the
very
actual
good.
sound.
Oh, okay. Very
So
abstract.
like either way works.
I see. Okay.
Or like like a dog, like you could be like woof woof or bark bark, or you could actually woo woo woo, like make
Oh,
dog
you're
sound.
very good at. Ah, okay, we just say one, 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 one.
um, and like now, I don't know if like Japanese dogs are different, but one is not like a cat. Yeah, like that kind of sounds like a cat.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
never heard a dog that sounds like one, 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 one.
I know, you make fun of me. Yeah, that's right. Really, we maybe brainwashed. So I
But
can't hear
like,
one, one.
um, we actually have like several like dog sounds: bark, woof. Um, a really old-fashioned one is bow wow, and like dogs don't sound like bow wow either. So
Yeah. Yeah, when I was in high school, yes, I learned wow, 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 wow. I couldn't understand it.
now woof kind of woof, 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 woof,
Yeah.
kind of sounds like it, but bark, not really.
Bug is just a word. Verb.
So we're not perfect either. So like,
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah.